Hey folks, today I'm going to show you the lasting jack, or some people call this a lasting post. This is an essential tool for shoemakers. It basically really helps you hold your work product in place while you're working on it. It's strong enough that you can basically do your hammering and lasting and all those other operations. So everything is black painted. You've got two pins, two different sizes. All the tools you're going to need right here. So one 5mm hex wrench. This is your main assembly screw. This is an extra pin locking screw, so don't lose that. Here's the main post. This is an 1.25 inches in diameter, solid steel, 8 inches long. You'll notice it's got one end for the pin and one end is threaded for your assembly. Underneath all this foam here, we've got the base plate. So you can see it's packed pretty carefully, so let's get rid of that now. Thanks. So you've got a 1/4 inch steel plate. You've got 5 holes on the bottom here. The 4 on the outside are obviously the mounting holes. You gotta attach this thing quite strongly to your work surface or your workbench or tree stump, whatever you got. The middle hole is countersunk, and that's for the main assembly screw. So I'll show you how to put this together. It's pretty easy. Your screw goes into the countersink, into the threaded hole. 5mm hex and Allen wrench right here. You want to get this nice and tight. You'll notice that because the steel plate is countersunk, that the screw head is flat, so you can still, whether you clamp it or bolt it to your surface, but you'll notice the bottom is flat. Okay, now that we've got the post assembled, we're going to back off the pin locking screw, and again, depending on the type of last you have, depending on the diameter of the ferrule, you're going to need whether you need the larger pin or the smaller pin. This is a 9.5mm. This is a 12mm. Okay, this one looks pretty big, so we'll go ahead and use the 12mm. Just insert that in, tighten it down. That's it, you're good to go.